Hi friend, today I show to you the performance of the engine after complete overhauling, and this engine is Caterpillar, and this one has been fitted in the railway carriage wagon. Please you see the live video.